In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an Alienware 14 laptop screen. The tools you will need are a small Phillips head screwdriver, a prying tool like a guitar pick, a microfiber cotton cloth, a cotton cloth or rag, and the replacement screen. I ordered mine off of laptopscreen.com and will have a link in the description below. To begin, take the microfiber cotton cloth and prying tool. Use the prying tool to get the laptop bezel off by prying in between the screen and the bezel. You can use the microfiber cloth to protect the old screen from getting scratches. You should hear the plastic clamps as they snap. Make your way around the screen until you can easily remove the bezel. Grab your screwdriver and lay the cotton cloth or rag on the keyboard. At this point, you will see 4 screws connecting the screen to the back of the laptop. Take the screws off and gently lower the old screen face down on top of the cotton cloth. The back of the monitor has one video cable connection that is covered with tape. Use your prying tool to remove the tape. Be very careful not to touch the bottom part of the screen. There is a single latch on the video cable that will need to be removed. Use the prying tool to unlatch the video cable. At this point, you can unplug the video cable. Grab the new laptop screen and lay it face down on the cotton cloth. Plug the new laptop screen into the video cable. Be very careful not to touch the bottom of the screen. Latch the video cable and put the tape back on. Take the new screen and slide it behind the white tab. The white tab acts as your LED logo for Alienware, so it's very important not to cover this with the screen. Take the 4 screws that used to connect the old LCD to the laptop. Screw the 4 screws back in and pop the bezel back on. Make sure you go around the entire screen so that each plastic latch snaps back in place. Here's the moment of truth. Turn the laptop on and verify that it's working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I want to thank laptopscreen.com for the replacement screen, and we'll have a link to the replacement screen below. Thank you.